Elsie and I are going out to dinner, and there's like a 50-minute to 1 hour wait, and we're right next to Sam's Club. So since we're right here, we're gonna go in, and who knows, maybe this will turn into a haul. Let's go. I'm tempted by these, but Elsie says she doesn't like them, and I don't know about Mila and Kel. I feel like they'd be good snacks, but maybe I'd be the only one that eats them, so I guess I'll leave them. They have a really nice selection of workout equipment out right now, and it looks like there's instant savings, lots of different things. Different stuff is on clearance or sales. I guess we're far enough into January, resolutions are forgotten about, and equipment's on sale. Also, I thought this looked like a pretty good new flavor, or maybe I've just never seen it, winter mint chocolate. I don't drink these, but it's at Sam's Club, and they're on sale for $22.64. Well, I think Elsie found one thing she wants. They have 3 packs of dragon fruit for $6.88, and she loves dragon fruit, don't you?
Yes.
At Meijer, it's like $5 or $6 for one. So you can pick a pack, whatever looks the best. But these are yellow dragon fruit, not the pinky guys. Employee of the month just passed us, working hard, doesn't talk back. Okay, Elsie settled on this 3-pack. She said it looked good. She dug for the best one, right?
Yes.
Yummy. I have all these pre-made meals here, and actually we have a really busy week coming up, so it's kind of tempting for me to grab one of these. The hard thing is, I don't think anything in here everyone in my family would eat. The manicotti looks pretty good to me. I could spend a lot of money and time on the bakery area. Everything looks so good, and now that we're waiting for dinner, we're both pretty hungry. Oh wow, brownie trays. It's $21 for that. They have cookie trays for $21.98 as well. Lots of different things over here. And they all look good. Oh, those are cute. Look at these, Els. Heart-shaped cutout cookies, $10.98. They look like Panera cookies. Elsie has something else she's asking for. This chocolate cupcake with peanut butter mousse. I know my husband would love it. It's like, do we need it? No. Does she want it?
Yes.
Chocolate covered cake bites. I thought these are strawberries. Very cute, very Valentine-y. They have French silk pies, mini cheesecakes, carrot cake, lots of yummies. Again, I'm hungry right now. All the steaks look delicious over here, especially these ones. Lots of choices. I should come here for meat more often. One of the main reasons we have a Sam's Club membership is to get their cupcakes and cake. We have to be a member to order. So I really am not super familiar with all the things that they have. It's a little overwhelming to try to see what we want here. But this is one thing that my in-laws get that I love. This shaved cheese blend. Elsie wants me to get that. I like this, but I think we could get them both and we'd actually use them both. And I have Alfredo on the shopping list this week, so we'll definitely use it for that. $10.74 for Parmesan and $9.44 for this shaved blend of Asiago, Parmesan, and Romano. I love this stuff, and Elsie loves this. We'll get them both. I actually was just checking to see if they had more of the quiche at Aldi, and they don't. But here's a 2-pack. It's on sale. Oh wait, it's not on sale. Dang it. I thought they were on sale. It's for the pickles. I was gonna get them for $8.48 or $8.98 for 2 of them, and I'd freeze them, make them with breakfast meals, but they're $14.48, so I'm not gonna do it. They were so good from Aldi though. I really love them. Okay, non-bites. Elsie wants these in her lunch, so $5.48. Can get lots of lunches out of that, I'm sure. Wow, that seems like a really good value. $4.66 for 48-ounce tub of cottage cheese, and it's the 4%, which I love, so I'm gonna get this. I love snacking on cottage cheese. We'll give it a try. They have a bunch of Easter stuff out, which is kind of crazy since we haven't even gotten to Valentine's Day. But they have this Peeps pack that's $13.76. They have a bunch of Starburst jelly beans. They're $10.98. They have 43 ounces of Robin's eggs. These are $10.88. Different springtime Hershey's mixes, $11.44. And it just keeps going. Easter, Easter, Easter. Oh, no, we've reached gummy $14.98 for Valentine's Day. And then they also have these Squishmallow cookie bouquets. Super cute. I actually doubt they taste that good, but they're adorable. Best Friends cookie bouquet, $14.96, and in it you get 12 cookies. If only I had space for this much ranch. Yum. Oh, and look, if we turn this way, they have the Cadbury mini eggs. My husband loves these. It's a giant 42-ounce bag for $16.48, and then a 175-piece bag of lots of different candies, and those are $19.98. They have some very pretty plants here. They're only $18. Definitely at odds with our very snowy weather we have here in Michigan right now. Lots of yummy frozen things, very similar to what Costco offers. Okay, Elsie said my in-laws buy these, and we went on a hunt for them. She knew they got them here, so we're gonna get a 24-pack of pineapple juice for $13.98 to make drinks with, to put in our slushie machine, or just to drink on its own. Elsie loves pineapple and pineapple juice. Kids are expensive, I tell you. Remember, we came here for absolutely no reason other than to pass time before dinner. We're doing a good job. We're passing time all right. This is tempting. I know my son would like these at night for a snack, but I don't want to give up that much freezer space. Our freezer's quite full, but I know he'd like those. I'll have to keep that in mind. $30 for $10. These are super cute mini veggie hearts. They're $14.98, and you get 40 treat-sized bags. Those would be fun to kind of pass out. And then they have these veggie straws for $13.98. I think we'll probably get these for snacks. You like these, right, Else?
Yes.
I think this will be a win for my family for snacks at school. Something different than what we get at Costco, which is mainly the Cheez-Its. Okay, so we're gonna get these. It's a 30 count. They're on sale for $10.48. I think it'd be an easy snack, whether for school or even basketball for my older daughter, Mila. This is interesting. I haven't seen this before, but Cheez-Its, Snap Cheez-Its, Pop-Tarts, and different Pringles. It's $14.98. It's like a Kellogg's Game Time pack, it calls it. Lots of different snacks. Well, I think we've probably done enough damage. I'm afraid the longer I'll look, the more I'll get. And we will eat it, so that's not really a big deal, but... Okay, on our way to the checkout, I promise, but this is on sale, $3 off, so it's $13.24 for 42 of these bags. My son would love these for school, so I'm gonna grab them. And a bonus, I'll get 10 cents for my school, yay. And we're gonna check out on our own. Any guess on the total? Here's everything that we've gotten. Unplanned, but we'll survive. Okay, so our total is $112.12. I do not want a MasterCard. Wait, I take it back. There's $4.50 in instant savings, so our total is $107.62. So you know we like our weekly Aldi shopping hauls, but this is kind of how we supplement, or things that I might mention that you don't see me getting are oftentimes we stop into places unplanned, but this was an entire haul that we get to share with you. Now I gotta prove to them that I paid for it. And then are you ready for dinner?
Yes.
So it was really interesting. The guy ahead of us had an entire cart, and AI had noticed that he didn't scan his sugar, and they pulled it out. They showed him on his receipt, and he went back to pay for it. But the checker said it's AI powered. Very interesting. He had an entire cart, and they noticed the bag of sugar. If you want to see where we normally shop on a weekly basis, you can check out this Aldi haul right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.